Key strategies for successful online marketing in 2025. Utilize AI tools for personalized marketing, data analysis, and customer engagement. Automating repetitive tasks can save time and enhance efficiency, allowing you to focus on strategy and creative aspects. Video continues to dominate online engagement. Create short, engaging video content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube. Live streaming can also foster real-time interaction with your audience. Consumers are increasingly drawn to brands that demonstrate social responsibility. Highlight your sustainable practices and ethical values in your marketing campaigns to build trust and loyalty. With the rise of smart speakers and voice-activated devices, optimize your content for voice search. Use conversational keywords and phrases to improve visibility in voice search results. Implement AR experiences to enhance customer interaction with your products. This technology can help customers visualize products in their own environment, leading to more informed purchasing decisions. By staying ahead of these trends, you can create effective online marketing strategies that resonate with consumers in 2025.